Welcome to this week's virtual chapel. I'm standing in the chapel garden and next to this tree here that was planted in 2016, 4 years ago, as a commitment to the school's policy of what the Eco Society stands for. And I'm really delighted the Eco Society are leading our chapel service this week. Particular thanks go to Miss Eva Chon and Mr. D'Souza and all the officers of the society. We're going to see a wonderful presentation of tree planting, and we're also going to hear about the bees as well. We've got some new beehives in the school grounds. So thanks to the Eco Society. Enjoy this week's chapel.
Hi. These are special, unprecedented times due to COVID-19 restrictions, but at Mill Hill School we still have an interest for all of us to get involved and give back to nature, whether you are part of the Eco Society or not. So if you think there is a disconnect between your awareness of climate change and your actions, then this is the perfect time for you to get involved.
Our planet will be here for many more years to come. But the next generations of people may not experience it the way we did, unless we do something about it. Scientists have found that when one person makes an environmentally conscious change, other people around them are likely to do the same. So we can all be role models together.
And here are some ways that our school cares for the planet. Eco Society pupils and teachers have had several meetings with key members of staff in order to push for such initiatives. And for example, we have pushed for more recycling, a reduction in air pollution in and around our school, green travel, beekeeping, tree planting, bicycle shelters, 100% green energy, electric car charging points, environmentally healthy food, which include vegan options, and also reducing paper usage within our school. We have also wrote and sent letters of proposals to governors and the TFL. We have also attended trips, and we've also taken part in environmentally friendly events.
Good afternoon. I just want to first say thank you so much for the opportunity for us to come down here and talk about it. All the talks have been absolutely incredible.
We have also organised events ourselves, which include, but aren't limited to, the chapel service and helping out with the harvest, organising fundraisers in order to help people who are less fortunate than ourselves, and also helping species which are in danger of extinction.
I am so proud of every single Eco Society pupil, past and present. They are truly wonderful and inspirational.
Thanks to the already super knowledgeable and environmentally friendly people in our school, such as many pupils, teachers and other members of the community, Eco Society's journey was made all the more enjoyable. For example, our domestic bursar is always keeping up to date with the sustainable choices, which resulted in our school using fair trade companies, changed to more efficient and planet-friendly waste management companies, recycling all our food waste, and since mass-producing red meat is extremely harmful for our planet. Since last year, we reduced red meat by 80%. Our collaborative efforts resulted in our school starting beekeeping this year, and we are planting 210 trees that benefit our bees, us, and our community.
Why bees? Because bees are some of the best pollinators in the world, and they're vital for our world's food supply. If we lose all the plants which bees pollinate, the animals which eat those plants will also be threatened, leading to the potential collapse of many ecosystems. A world without bees would most likely struggle to sustain the global population.
The trees that we are planting are provided by Woodlands Trust, and we are registered on their Green Tree Schools Award. We get points for doing activities that celebrate woods and trees, As well as planting trees, the Woodland Trust protects 1,000 woods in the UK.
The Woodland Trust also fights to protect ancient woods from being cut down and from buildings, train tracks and airports from being built on top of them. Ancient woods are very, very special and important for lots of plants and animals. Once destroyed, these soils can never be replaced, so it's important that you take care of them.
Why are we planting trees? Well, when we plant trees, we make a huge difference to the whole entire school and also to the wider community around us, as we provide green spaces to improve our physical and mental health, and also provide homes and food for the wildlife around our area. Trees also absorb carbon dioxide, which is one of the main causes of climate change. Being able to absorb the carbon dioxide around our area will greatly reduce the air pollution around Mill Hill. Our trees will also actually become a legacy that our future pupils will enjoy from 30, 40 years from now. So that would be an amazing thing to be a part of.
And trees are important because a single tree can be home to hundreds of species of insect, fungi, moss and plants. Trees play a key role in capturing rainwater and reducing the risk of natural disasters like floods and landslides. Their intricate root system acts like a filter, removing pollutants and slowly absorbing waters through the soil. Through their leaves and bark, they can absorb harmful pollutants and release clean oxygen for us to breathe. By planting trees at Mill Hill, we are helping sustain our local ecosystem as well as give back to our planet.
We will be planting trees that have year-round colour to enjoy beautiful blossoms, bright berries and stunning autumn displays, and also trees that help establish food and shelter for wildlife and create a living legacy for future generations.
These seedling packs also include the following species of tree: hawthorn, dogwood, wild cherry, silver birch, rowan, hazel, blackthorn and common oak.
The tree planting will take place between 16th and 30th November, carried out by the Eco Society, every fourth form pupil and a few teachers.
What is your opinion on the Eco Society at Mill Hill School?
I think it's really important.
I really like the bottles.
Yeah?
They're actually really cool.
Yeah, they're very cool. I think it's really important, like, to show our school's contribution to the environment.
I mean,
you know, the climate crisis.
And to actually have a recycling bin in your class kind of helps.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, I think it's great. It's a real opportunity for the students to, you know, generalise their knowledge that we learn in lessons into real-world application. It's great.
Did you guys know that next week we're going to be having a tree planting initiative?
No, that's so cool.
It's pretty cool.
Can we help?
Yeah, of course.
No way.
Yes.
What for?
We are going to be planting 210 saplings within the school.
Can we help?
Yeah, you can help if you want to. How does that make you feel? Yeah, this is with Eco Society. How does that make you guys feel?
That's a really good idea. Very good.
Oh, cool. Yeah, and we're going to be planting 210 saplings. Yeah.
Where?
All around the school.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, so what are your thoughts about that?
It's really cool how like the school actually helped me out with the environment, and it's such a big part of like the modern day society. So it's a really cool thing the school doing.
Yeah, and what are your thoughts about the environment right now?
It's getting better, but it's still in a very bad place, and something actually needs to happen. But yeah, it's good that something is happening, and the school being proactive about it.
Last year, the chairman of the Eco Society was Agnis, along with Braden. And it's wonderful that Agnis wrote in because, of course, her year in school was truncated with COVID, but she feels very connected to the Eco Society still. And she wrote this amazing piece. It's my privilege to read it on Agnes' behalf. It's a message to us all. So I'm going to read it, and you'll see some other pictures being displayed as it's read too. So enjoy Agnes' words from last year's Leavers of 2020. Eco Society was where I had the chance to express my concerns for the environment and to discuss them with other like-minded individuals. It made me realise how much can be changed when enough people care about our planet, and how sometimes the biggest changes can actually require the least effort. Throughout my time with Eco Society at Mill Hill, I realised that preserving the planet comes naturally to all, as soon as they realise its importance. While in Eco Society, I gained many skills. However, the most important lesson learned was all change starts from yourself. I learned so much from everyone in Eco Society, and that actually encouraged me to become a vegetarian, which has been one of the greatest decisions in my life so far. As for the changes Eco Society brought to the school, I could name all the events and the changes that it made. However, I think the most important thing was the educational aspect. The collection of all events made students and teachers think and understand our motivations, sometimes even motivated some pupils to change their own lifestyles, like me. I find that most precious, since I believe the biggest change one can experience is the change to our mindset. And here, in the context of saving the environment, these mindset changes are of utmost importance. The global climate change is happening at unprecedented speed, and the world needs to collectively take action. We must preserve our Earth the same way that it nurtures us.
Oh, it was a great experience, honestly. So happy to make an impact on global warming, and just a great way to start your Tuesday morning.
We all really hope that you enjoy this experience and take this tree planting initiative with you in the future. Thank you very much.